Invest in the future of the U.S. and get high returns with space stocks. Recent positive data suggests a turnaround in the U.S. economy, boosting consumer confidence and expectations of lower inflation and the prospect of moderated interest rates. Virgin Galactic Holdings. The potential for a rise in valuation and great long-term plans make this stock one to buy and hold. Lockheed Martin. Its contracts with different companies will bolster its revenues in the next few quarters and inspire strong growth and profitability. Rocket Lab USA. Robust financials, high growth potential, and an enormous government contract make Rocket Lab an attractive buy. Let's dive in. To the stars and beyond, here are the 3 stocks to buy for the future of space exploration. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Recent data suggests a positive shift in the future of the U.S. economy, with Americans expressing increased confidence in economic conditions. Expectations include a descent in inflation and anticipated moderation in interest rates. The recovering consumer sentiment could benefit President Biden's chances for re-election, offering optimism amid a strong job market, moderate gas prices, and a record-breaking stock market. While economic risks remain, the improving sentiment may play a crucial role in shaping voter perceptions as the country continues in the presidential election year. Because of this economic positivity, you need to invest in innovation. These 3 space stocks are the best place to start. It does not look like this industry will stop anytime soon. Number 1. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is an aerospace company, manufacturing advanced vehicles and also providing human spaceflight for private individuals. It is one of the few companies working towards space tourism. Virgin Galactic has beat earnings estimates for 2 consecutive quarters, and 9 analysts are predicting an upside potential of 30.14%. It is important to note, however, that Virgin has a high burn rate, totaling hundreds of millions each quarter, hindering it from becoming profitable. That is due to the capital-intensive subsector it is in. However, the company seems to have recognized this and is taking steps to change its business model, a positive change in light of its dismal financials. It is expected to launch a commercial flight by the end of the month, which will serve to increase brand awareness and reach. Additionally, the company is diverting resources towards its Delta aircraft, which will launch in 2026. It will be cost-cutting to meet this goal, a positive sign to investors. Additionally, the company expects to attain free cash flow break-even in 2026. Along with this, the space tourism sector should reach $17.742 billion by 2032, with a compound annual growth rate of 36.6%. Immense sector growth over the next few years and a promising future poise this space stock for growth and make it a company you should invest in. Number 2. Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is a leader in DevSecOps-driven software engineering, serving the aerospace and defense sectors. Its name is well known in the fields of tactical aircraft, airlift sustainment, and aeronautical research and development. Lockheed Martin's current stock of $439.67 grew 54% in the past 5 years. The global space technology market size accounted for $419.9 billion in 2022 and could achieve a market size of $843.2 billion by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 7.4% from 2023 to 2032. Lockheed Martin beat the analysts' expectations in third quarter 2023. Revenue of $16.88 billion grew 1.78% year over year, beating expectations by 5.16%, and earnings per share of $6.73 grew 0.3% year over year, beating expectations by 8.92%. The company has been forming many contracts with different companies. For example, Lockheed possesses a dominant position in the global military aircraft space with its F-35 fleet. It recently secured a modification contract involving this F-35 fighter aircraft and is expected to significantly bolster its revenues in the upcoming quarters. It also introduced its experimental X-59 plane with NASA a week ago. Number 3. Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA is an end-to-end space company providing launch services and space systems solutions to the space industry. The stock currently sits at $5.08, up 5.61% year over year. 10 analysts are bullish on the stock, offering a 12-month median price target of $8. In 2023, the space economy market was valued at $518.48 billion and could reach $1.11 trillion by 2030 exhibiting a compound annual growth rate of 8.9%. That high growth is largely due to investments in space research and exploration from both the public and private sectors. In third quarter 2023, Rocket Lab reported revenue of $67.66 million, up 9% quarter on quarter. It also reached $582 million in contract backlog, an increase of 9% quarter on quarter. Management expects continued growth in the future as evidenced by its fourth quarter 2023 revenue expectation of $65 million to $69 million. Furthermore, with Rocket Lab's Electron rocket launches expected to resume shortly, management forecasts revenue to reach upwards of $95 million to $105 million in first quarter 2024. The company's extraordinary contract backlog combined with these metrics showcase Rocket Lab's financial strength and growth potential. Additionally, in late December 2023, Rocket Lab secured a $515 million U.S. government contract to design, build, deliver, and operate 18 of SDA's Transport Layer Tranche 2 beta satellites to launch by mid-2027, with an extension option to operate the satellites through 2033. Not only did this huge deal nearly double the company's contract backlog, but it also signifies confidence in Rocket Lab's operational abilities, validating the company's technology and providing revenue predictability for the next few years. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.